Hi guys, so today I'm going to make like a squishy scam because this is my first video of squishy scam, so let's just get started. So guys, actually I do have my book here, actually this avocado book, and I don't know actually okay, I'll be right back. Actually guys, I'm sorry about that because I'm coughing, so I just don't want to let you guys hear it. But anyway, I have a new friend at school, and she did want to say to me that she want to order some squishies, so she need to buy it. That I'm not going to give as free because all the squishy is really it's really expensive, so I just going not to give free, so I'm just going to let her buy it. So here's the book. So I don't know who it is, but I have a new friend at school, and she doesn't want to speak any, like she's so shy or something like that. But she did order squishies. So first, she ordering a croissant, Kibru croissant. So I have that, so I'm just going to get that. So actually, guys, this is my lastest croissant Kibru squishy, but I just don't want to give this because it's just like big in my head. I just want to get a red packaging. So guys, here it is. Just like, no, it's not big in my head, but it is awesome. I know it is really defected or something like that, but the bag is super soft. It smells so good, and I just don't want to give this one, but this is so cool, but I just don't want to give this one. But I have a solution for that. I'll be right back. So I'm just going to give this paper squishy, which is toast. So I don't really like this one because this is not a real squishy at all. So I'm just going to give this one. So as squishy. So I'm just going to give this one. So I just get this back here. So I'm just going to put there. So let's just go to the next one. And next, she ordering a chocolate, strawberry chocolate. So I do have that. So I'll be right back. Have this one, guys. Actually, it's super defective. The hand is already off, as you can see. But it is not really my favorite, so I'm just going to give this one. And actually, this is my most favorite squishy, so I'm just going to give that. Just going to put over here, actually, so it can make, yeah, you know. Let's just go to this. And next, she ordering Galaxy Unicorn. So I do have that, so I don't want to get the Galaxy Unicorn because I have one solution that I will sell for it. So yeah, I mean, I have this one, but I just don't want to like give the Galaxy Unicorn. I have the Galaxy Unicorn, but I just don't want to give it. So I'm just going to give this one. Like, this is Jumbo. When I just actually this was my favorite before, so it's not my favorite now, and it has price, as you can see, guys. So I'm definitely not going to give this. So wait, no, actually I'm just going to give this. I just don't want to give the Galaxy Unicorn, so I'm just going to give that. Let's go to the next one. And then she wants a Hello Kitty donut. So it just says Hello Kitty donuts. It doesn't have what kind of it, so I'm just going to give get this Hello Kitty donut now. But I mean, guys, this is my last Hello Kitty donut, and this is not really squishy, but I'm just going to give this one because this one is really defected, as you can see at the back, and it's really defected. So I'm just definitely going to give this because this is my lastest Hello Kitty donut. I don't really like Hello Kitty donut so much. I'm just going to put this. There we go. So let's go to the next one. So next one, she wants a corn squishy. So I definitely have that. So yeah. So I have this one, and this is actually my lastest week. I don't know why I said always I said lastest because I don't have that really coupled squishy, like I don't know how, but so here's my last one. So I think I'm just going to give this one because this really defective. So I'm just going to get that. Okay, and I do have a lot more squishy, so I'm just going to get that. And then the last squishy, she ordered an ice cream. So actually, I don't have an ice cream squishy a real squishy actually. So I just want to give the homemade one. So the animate. So let's go. I'm gonna have this one, but I have another one in the box where I keep my squishies, homemade squishy like that. So I have this one, and it's ice cream cone, and it's vanilla, strawberry, and blueberry flavor. And I don't know it's ice cream cone or popsicle. I don't know. She doesn't say over that. She just says ice cream, so I think it might be this one. So she paid 10 over that. Actually, yeah. So I'll be right back. So guys, this is all the squishies she wants. Actually, I don't have that much. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to give this to her in the school. Actually, I cannot bring squishies to school. So I just bring when I went holiday because my friend house. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! My friend house is almost to my house, so I'm just going to give this back to her. So I'll see you in the next video. So please subscribe to my video and like that button if you enjoy. So I'll be make a new video if you're watching. So and please like if you enjoy. So I hope you enjoy. So bye bye guys. I love you so much. So I just going to send it to my friend because if I send too late, she will get mad because she just wants to play with my squishy. So bye bye guys. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.